If you want to use the formula, first rearrange. So rearranging plays important role. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. All our sign is positive. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, multiple angle. So similarly 2 sin 4x cos 4x is sin 2 times 4x. This is in the form sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. You cannot land at RHS. So what I'll do, I'll take LHS, I'll simplify. I'll take RHS, I'll simplify. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with the problems of exercise 3.3. So now, in 3.3, they're asking you to prove the following. Cos of 3 pi by 4x plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. We need to prove this. So take LHS. LHS is cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x. See, observe, this is in the form of cos c minus cos d. So it is in the form of cos c minus cos d. So what is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So transformations. Dear students, first you should be thorough with the transformations. If both are cos, right side will get both same. And if it is minus, here we'll get minus and both sin. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is the basic. So now it is in the form of cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d can be written as minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. C means this whole thing. D means this whole thing. So c is 3 pi by 4 plus x. This is c. Plus d means 3 pi by 4 minus x whole thing by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. C means again 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2. See, please understand, here I am taking this whole thing as c, this whole thing as d. Now it is in the form of cos c minus cos d. So cos c minus cos d is, I have wrote on the board. So minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now simplify this further. So here plus x minus x plus x minus x cancels. So there you can open the brackets. So now what is left out? We are left out with minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. Can I say 2 times 3 pi by 4 by 2 into sin, open the bracket, so it will become 3 pi by 4 plus x, 3 pi by 4 plus x minus, here we have minus, open the brackets, so it will become minus 3 pi by 4, minus of minus becomes plus x, whole thing by 2. Again plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 cancels. So we are left out with minus 2 sin 2 1s are 2 2s are. So it will become 3 pi by 2 and 2 becomes by 4. Comes to this 2 comes to denominator. Further, sin x plus x is 2x by 2. You know 2 2 cancels. So we are left out with minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. This is the answer we got. What do they want you to prove? Root 2 sin x. They want you to prove what? Minus root 2 sin x. So therefore, here 3 pi by 4. All of you know. So let me find the value of sin 3 pi by 4. So you know 3 pi by 4 means 3 times 45. Pi by 4 is what? 45 degrees. So that is sin 3 times 45 is 135 degree. So use allied angle. So can I write it as sin of 180 minus 45? All of you know sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. So it is sin 45. Sin 45, all of you know 1 by root 2. So we got this as so minus 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into sin x. So you know numerator 2 can be written as root 2 the whole square. Root to the whole square is 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x. So further I can cancel 1 root 2 and root 2. So here I am left out with minus root 2 sin x. This is RHS. Here the careful observation is sin 3 pi by 4. So here I call this as equation 1. So finally I got sin 3 pi by 4 value. What is sin 3 pi by 4 value? 1 by root. So here I am writing since from 1. See, we are using allied angle. All of you know sin of 180 minus theta for 180 and 360 function does not change. So sin of 180 minus 45 is sin 45. Sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. All our sin is positive. So here question is sin. So it is sin 45. Sin 3 pi by 4 is same as sin pi by 4. So now we got the answer. Next. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. You need to prove it as sin 2x into sin 10x. How to prove this? Again take LHS. I will take LHS, that is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? All of you know a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So same thing we'll do here. I can write it as sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now this is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. One term is sin, one term is cos. First we'll get sin because it is plus, and we have sin c minus sin d also. So use this also. What is sin c minus sin d? Transformations. Sin c minus sin d is 2 minus 2. Sorry. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c minus d by 2 into sin c plus d by 2. So 2 cos c minus d by 2 into sin c plus d by 2. So now it is in the form sin c plus sin d. You know sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, 6x plus 4x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 6x minus 4x by 2, again into sin c minus sin d is 2, first we'll write cos, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 6x plus 4x by 2 into sin 6x minus 4x by 2. Now simplify this. 6x plus 4x is 10x, 10x by 2 is 5x. So that is 2 times sin 6 plus 4, 10, 10 by 2, 5. 5x. Again cos 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, cos x. Cos x into 2, you have 2 here. Cos 5x. Cos 5x. Again we have sin 2x by 2x is sin x. Sin x. Now 2 into 2 becomes 4. Sin 5x cos 5x. Sin x into cos x. See, ultimately we need to get RHS. RHS is sin 2x sin 10x. Sin 2x sin 10x we need to get. So therefore here 1, 2 I can retain 2 sin x cos x. You can see one cos x is there, one sin x is there, and 2 is there. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So we can use allied angle. So here this particular step I'll group. Let us group. I have 2, let it be. I'll first write this sin x. The last term I'll write it here. Then I'll write cos x here. Then the remaining is sin 5x into cos 5x into 2. See, quotients are same. We have very important multiple angle. Multiple angle is sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta, and vice versa. 2 times sin theta cos theta is sin 2 times theta. Means if the internal angles are same, 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin of 2 theta. Here 2 sin x cos x, internal terms are same. 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. Similarly, this 2 sin 5x cos x 5x can be written cos x. 2 sin 5x into cos 5x can be written as sin of 2 times 5x. That is sin 2x into sin 2 5 is 10x. This is the RHS. See here, after you simplify, you have to group it. So write sin x and cos x together. So this whole thing is in the form 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. 2 sin 5x cos 5x is sin 2 times 5x. That is sin 10x. So this is what we need to prove. We proved it. I hope all of you got it. Here we used a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So here we have sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. I can write it as sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin 6x minus sin 4x. Then this is in the form sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And this is in the form sin c minus sin d. What is sin c minus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Simple. If minus in between, first cos comes. If plus in between, sin comes. But internal things are same. C plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್. So this transformation, these three are the basic things to simplify. And also we use sin 2 theta formula. 2 times sin x cos x can also be written as sin 2 times x. Meaning is simple. If internal terms of sin and cos are same, then we can use this formula. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Next, same cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. We need to prove this as sin 4x into sin 8x. So I'll take cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. It is in the form of a square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b into a minus b. I can write cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. Now cos c plus cos d. So what is cos c plus cos d? First, it was in the form a square minus b square. I wrote it as a plus b into a minus b. Now it is in the form cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this will become 2 cos 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos 2x minus 6x by 2. Now this is in the form of cos c minus cos d. What is cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Both are sin and minus. So it will become minus 2. This is product actually. Sin c plus d by 2. Sin 2x plus 6x by 2 into sin 2x minus 6x by 2. Now further we'll simplify. 2 times cos, if you refer this, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, 4x. Then cos 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Then minus 2 into sin 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, sin 4x into sin minus 4x minus 2x. Sin of it will become minus 2x when you add and divide by 2. Now 2 cos 4x. All of you know cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos of minus x is cos x. So cos of minus 2x is cos x. And this minus, let it be minus 2 into sin of 4x into sin of minus x is minus sin x. Sin of minus 2x is minus sin x. That minus comes here. Minus into minus becomes plus. Now again group them. So quotients nodi. Here we have 2 cos 4x. Here we have sin 4x. I'll group them. So I'll write 2 sin 4x into cos 4x then I have 2 again, 2 cos 2x into sin 2x, or cos 2x into sin 2x. Now this is in the form 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2 times what is x? 4x. Or if you know 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 times theta. Similarly, this is cos 2x sin 2x can be written as sin 2 times 2x. So that is sin 8x into sin 4x. This is the RHS. Hence the proof. This is what they want. Sin 4 into sin 8. We got sin 4 into sin 8 or sin 8 into sin 4, one and the same. So here repeatedly we use this formula. Sin theta into cos theta 2 times sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 times internal angle. If these angles are same, you can take 2 inside. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, multiple angle. So similarly 2 sin 4x cos 4x is sin 2 times 4x. 2 sin 2x into cos 2x is 2 sin 2 times 2x. That's it. So you can rewrite A into B, B into A, both are same. If they want you to prove sin 4x into sin 8x, one and the same, sin 4x into sin 8x. That's the proof. I hope all of you got this. Then sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x, we need to prove 4 cos square x sin 4x. Observe this carefully. Only 2 is the quotient for this. That quotient is not there for the others. So if you want to use the formula, first rearrange. So rearranging plays important role. So we'll take LHS. I'll take first sin 2x plus I'll take sin 6x. Addition is commutative. However you want, you can add. First I'll write this, then I'll write this, then finally I'll write this. 2 sin 4x. This is most important. Why? Because here I can use sin c plus sin d. Here I can use sin c plus sin d. For these two, we can use sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we'll use the same formula. Here c is 2x and d is 6x. So it will become sin, or see here it is better to rewrite or rearrange. I'll write first 6x then 2x. First higher term I'll write, so that subtraction ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. First I'll write sin 6x, then I'll write sin 2x. First I'll write this term, then I'll write this term, then I'll write this. Now sin c plus d by 2, 6x plus 2x by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos 6x minus 2x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. Now this is sin 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4x. And cos 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2x. Plus 2 sin 4x. However you write, it will be same. Otherwise you would have got cos of minus 2x, cos x only. So directly I wrote. So first I arranged in the descending order. Now 6x then 2x. Or if you write other way, it is same. Here you will get 2x minus 6x. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x, but that minus 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ. Cos of minus x is cos x. So that's why however you do it is same. Better you arrange like this. I hope all of you got it. First I wrote sin 6x plus, then I wrote sin 2x, then I wrote the remaining, the middle term at the end. Now it is in the form sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus the last term, that is 2 sin 4x. Now 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4x. So 2 sin 4x into 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Now we need 4 cos square x sin 4x. So in these two terms, if you observe, sin 4x is common. 2 sin 4x is common. I'll take it out. So I'll take 2 times sin 4x common. So 2 sin 4x if you take common, cos 2x plus 1 it will become. It will become cos 2x plus 1. Now again you observe, we have cos square x. So use the cos 2 theta formula. You know cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. See, for cos 2x we have 4 formats. Cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. But here, if you see the RHS, depending on RHS contains cos square x. So that's why I'll write cos 2x in this form. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Because my target is to get RHS. In RHS, I have cos square x. So write this cos 2x in the form of cos square x. So cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x plus 1. So 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and then we have plus 1. So this plus 1 I am writing as it is. So I am writing cos 2x formula. What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Instead of cos 2x, write 2 cos square x minus 1. Further, you can cancel plus 1 minus 1. So it is 2 sin 4x into 2 cos square x. 2 into 2 becomes 4. So it will become 4 sin 4x into cos square x. This is the RHS. Hence the proof. So this is what they want. 4 cos square x sin 4x. We got 4 cos square x sin 4x. Rearrange. First I'll write 4, then I'll write cos square x, then I'll write sin 4x. A into B, B into A, both are same. So hence the proof. Hence the proof. We got the same. Now all of you got this. So first what I have done? So I rearranged. First I wrote sin 6x, then I wrote sin 2x, then I wrote the remaining term. The one with quotient, push it at the end. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಇದೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೈನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಡಿ? 2 ಸೈನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ 2. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಸೈನ್ 4x ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಸೈನ್ 4x ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಕಾಸ್ 2x ನ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ 2 ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ minus 1. So after you substitute, you'll get it. So first you should be thorough with the multiple angles and compound angles. What is cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. You should prove. So this is little different problem. Directly if you take LHS, you cannot land at RHS. So what I'll do, I'll take LHS, I'll simplify. I'll take RHS, I'll simplify. Then I'll make them as equation 1 and 2 and I'll conclude. So first I'll take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. That is cot 4x into sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, cos 5x minus 3x by 2. That is cot 4x into 2 sin 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4x, and cos 5 minus 3 is 2, 2x by 8, 2 is x. Now simplify. Cot can be written as sin by cos, cos by sin. So instead of cot 4x, can I write it as cos 4x by sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. So further sin 4x cancels. I am left out with 2. I'll write outside. Cos 4x into cos x. 2 cos 4x into cos x is what left out. So therefore LHS is equal to what? 2 cos 4x into cos x. Call it as equation 1. LHS, they gave so much big term, I made it like this. Now I'll take RHS and we'll simplify. RHS also, if we get same, then both are same. So RHS is what? Cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So take RHS, that is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. No. Again, cot x into what is sin c minus sin d? Or if 2, sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. That is 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. 5x minus 3x by 2. So simplify this. Now cot can be written as cos x by sin x. And this 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Cos 4x. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1 sin x. Now this sin x and sin x I can cancel. So I'll rewrite. First I'll write 2, then I'll write cos 4x, then I'll write cos x. This is the RHS. I call it as equation 1, equation 2. So now observe 1 and 2. What is 1? 1 is 2 cos 4x cos x. So 2 is also 2 cos 4x cos x. So therefore what is the conclusion? From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, because both we got same, both we got 2 cos 4x cos x. So equation 1 is 2 cos 4x cos x. This is RHS cot of sin phi minus sin 3, we got this. Similarly, LHS cot 4 into sin phi plus sin, we got the same. 2 cos 4x into cos x. LHS value is 2 cos 4x into cos x. RHS value is also 2 cos 4x into cos x. So therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to what? RHS. That's it. I hope all of you understood this. Then, so now I've done standard problems of exercise 3.3, wherein we use transformations and multiple angles. Please sit and revise. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.